In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a really tasty, creamy mashed potato. First of all, I'm going to peel the potatoes. You can steam them with the skin on and peel them afterwards, but I just find this way easier. These are nice rooster potatoes, a nice all-round potato that you can use. I would cut them up into relatively even-sized pieces, pop them in the steamer, and I'm going to set them to steam for about 20 minutes or so. To make the rest of the mashed potato, we have our 900 grams of steamed rooster potatoes, and one of these ricers is the best way to get a nice, smooth mashed potato. As we're putting it in, I would tend to put the butter in at this stage. So I've got about 2 tablespoons of butter that I'm adding in. That'll melt as I'm starting to mash the potato. Now we're going to add in our heated milk. So we have about 240 mils of milk. And we're going to season well with pepper and salt. And you simply mix it all together. So if you work with the potatoes while they're hot, with the milk and the butter, it'll all melt in and you'll have a really nice creamy mashed potato. So there you go, nice creamy mashed potato. Thanks for watching. Please put your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to see my other videos. Why not check out other skills videos like how to make pastry easily, or recipes like making chicken with mustard and mushroom, which will go really well with these mashed potatoes. Thanks a mil, see you soon.